Budgeting for beginners is a crucial step towards achieving financial stability. Many beginners struggle with budgeting due to lack of knowledge and discipline. In this video, we will explore the importance of budgeting, common challenges faced by beginners, and simple yet effective strategies to create and stick to a budget. Stay tuned to discover how budgeting can transform your financial future. Budgeting is a financial tool that helps individuals manage their money effectively by setting limits on spending and saving. By creating a budget, individuals can track their expenses, control their finances, and work towards achieving their financial goals. Popular budgeting methods include zero-based budgeting, where every dollar is allocated, and the 50-30-20 rule, which divides income into categories for spending, saving, and investing. To achieve financial success, it's essential to set clear and achievable financial goals that align with your budget. Start by identifying both short-term and long-term objectives that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Break down larger goals into smaller milestones to track progress and stay motivated. By setting realistic financial goals, you can pave the way for a secure financial future. Creating a personalized budget plan is key to managing your finances effectively. Start by calculating your total income and expenses accurately. Allocate funds for essentials, savings, and discretionary spending to ensure a balanced budget. Consider using budgeting tools or apps to streamline the process and stay organized. By following these steps, you can create a budget plan that works for your financial goals. Tracking expenses is crucial for staying within budget limits and achieving financial goals. Explore different methods like manual tracking or using expense tracking apps to monitor your spending. Regularly reviewing expenses helps identify spending patterns and areas for improvement. Be proactive in adjusting your budget based on actual spending habits to ensure financial stability and success. Stay mindful of your expenses to stay on track with your financial goals. Resisting impulse purchases is essential for staying within budget. Create a shopping list before making purchases and stick to it to avoid unnecessary spending. Implement a waiting period before buying non-essential items to curb impulse buying tendencies. Distinguish between wants and needs to make informed spending decisions. By following these strategies, you can resist impulse purchases and stay on track with your budget goals. An emergency fund is a crucial component of financial security that complements budgeting efforts. It serves as a safety net during unexpected situations by providing financial stability and peace of mind. Start building an emergency fund by setting aside a portion of your income regularly. Having an emergency fund ensures you are prepared for unforeseen expenses and helps you stay on track with your financial goals. In conclusion, budgeting is a fundamental tool for achieving financial well-being and reaching your financial goals. Remember the practical tips shared for creating and sticking to a budget, such as tracking expenses and setting realistic financial goals. Take action today towards better budgeting practices to secure your financial future. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips, like the video, and share it with others seeking budgeting guidance.